the strawberries. First we need strawberries. First we need the yogurt. And now, vanilla.
Question.
You know how to take strawberry banana? Okay. Check the house. Sweet. You got me. I know what you eat the strawberry.
Why?
There's no gassy.
It doesn't smell disgusting, Rowan.
Because the magic and because the strawberry. Abracadabra. Strawberry cadrillo. Ta-da! With magic. Why did strawberry cry? I don't know. Why? Because it was. It's the dust. Now we make the yogurt and vanilla. Let's put the yogurt and strawberry. Right, do it. Vamos. Right. A flappy strawberries. Flappy yogurt strawberries. Yucky. Look, yogurt.
Well, help me. No, do yours, Blue.
We're gonna add some banana. Now hold it, and now put it in my hand, and now put it together. And now make it. It smells so good. It smells so good. It better rate my protein. Why does strawberry movie is dancing? With a yogurt. What do you call a cow make yogurt? What? A mooger machine. Yay! Little more. Now we're gonna put freezers for 4 hours. Bonito. Yeah, I did it. Papico. Damn it! No good. I'm gonna try it. But I'm gonna try later when I make it. Turkey. It tastes like turkey. Drink. Vanilla gonna make it have flavor. I didn't know that different vanilla. Hey, chef. See you after the fridge. Bye. A strawberry pop. Now we gonna add some chocolate. Coconut. Good. You try it. Really good. Goodbye, MiniChef. Thank you for watching. See you next time.
Your attention, please.
Why, you don't want the strawberry?
Yeah.
Chocolate ice cream. It can't.
Are you ready now?
Uh-oh. Who come from the chef? Hello, MiniChef. Hello, coconut. Look, that's so funny. Take coconut to the me. Come on, MiniChef. Come on, MiniChef. No, that is a poopy by the coconut. Are you doing good? Hello, are you doing good?
Oh, yeah.
Are